It's one day before New Year's Eve. We're back at beautiful Mosquito Lagoon. Now I'm going to make a recipe we stole from Booger over at Booger 500 US. Some jalapeno poppers with egg and bacon. What I've got here is some bacon I've sliced in half. Got some jalapenos we've sliced in half. And in here I've got some eggs, I think 4 eggs that I just whipped together. Now you know I'm going to make a ginormous mess. Booger, she poured each one of these eggs in, if I remember, right from the eggshell, if I remember. I really don't know how I'm going to do this without getting these all over the place, like such. So let me try this a little bit different. Unfortunately, where we're at, there's not very good internet reception, so I can't pull her video back up, and I don't quite remember how she did this and kept the egg from all rolling out. Anyway, what I'm going to do, as you can see, this is a bit tedious, but it seems like it does hold up, you know, and not spill out the egg when you go ahead and wrap the bacon around it. Sorry for the hand shot. And I'm going to wrap each one of these guys up. And when I'm done, we'll get them on the smoker, and I'll show you how we're going to create this breakfast morning snack recipe courtesy of Booger. Okay, we're going to cook these guys today on the pit barrel cooker. It's a traveling cooker with me. Okay, we'll check on these guys in about 30 minutes, I think. Okay, it's been 50 minutes. You can see our bacon's getting about there. I'm just going to put a little bit of this Mexican cheese on the top. And as soon as this cheese melts, we're going to sample some of these guys up. I'm ready for a little breakfast. It's been 50 minutes cook. 5 more minutes to get the cheese melted. The sun is direct overhead. So let me get these off of here, and then we can have a look at them. So we got our poppers here. Let me show you what these daggone things look like. I'll cut one right in the middle. Okay. There you can see our egg is nice and cooked. Okay. Not runny. I hate runny eggs. Okay, we're going to give one of these guys a try. What a great morning snack. You definitely get smoky. We didn't use any wood, but you definitely get the smoky flavor from that pit barrel cooker. The jalapenos are still nice and crunchy. They're not soggy at all. You know, what do I say, right? Egg, bacon, and cheese. I mean, what else? How's it get better? Hey, if you get a chance to try this, obviously you can cook these things on your smoker like we did today, or you can do it like Booger did on an air fryer. I'm sure you can cook them in your oven. These things are awesome. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below.